Welcome everybody, Get Fit, Get Active. This is a month-long program with me inspiring you to get moving every day for 7 minutes. We are going to work on shoulder mobility and upper body strength today. Are you ready? Make sure that you like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how you're getting on. And if you want to sandwich a couple of these workouts together and do a 14-minute workout, that would be phenomenal. But make sure you let me know. Here we go. I want you to take a good posture, abdominals relaxed, relax them and then bring them in, contract. Bring your shoulders back and down. Here we go. Just lift your shoulders. So 7 minutes and the clock starts now. How are you feeling? Did you sleep well? Are you remaining hydrated? Drinking plenty of water every day? And how is your nutrition? Let me know. Single, single, double. Good, now double. Now let's reach across, right arm. Reach, both arms up. So just the upper body today. You don't need, well, you can use weights. If you want to grab some water bottles, you are welcome, but we will do some weights later on in the sessions. Here we go. Now hands on the shoulders, circles slowly all the way around. Beautiful. One more. Okay, let's take both arms out into a pec deck, squeeze together, and you could do these exercises seated. One more. Feel that already. Bring your forearms across and then squeeze your scapula as you go back. Good, one more. Now bring your arms down. We're going up. We squeeze and open. Bring your arms down and relax. So it's up and open. Bring it in. So you feel it in your upper back and your shoulders. Good, one more. Lift, pull back. Can you take a little step touch? Here we go. Just relax the shoulders. There you go, keeping you moving. That's it. We're going to do that whole combination again in a second. Just go with your step touch. So just release the tension from the shoulders. Are you ready? Legs apart. Here we go. Both shoulders up. 2. Single, single, double. Double. Hands on your shoulders. Slow circles and open and around. One more. Now reach across. Here we go. Reach over, up. Make a fist and add a little bit of resistance. Good. Reach over and up. Good. That's it. Keeping the hips still. You can do this seated. Good. One more. Both arms. Circle round. Nice and slowly. Circle again. One more. Now hold both arms out. Squeeze them together into your pec deck. Good, work in the front of the shoulder and your chest. One more. Elbows back and squeeze it across, bring it back. Good, you've got it. And again, hands then. So can you see I'm bringing my forearms one over the top of the other? Yeah? Good, you've got it. 2 more. 1 more. Now bring the hands down. We upright row, open, in, release, up, and then open. Keep that going. Go up and open. Last one. And up and open. Bring your hands down. Let's go with a side bend. Right. Both arms up into a front raise. Side bends. Here we go. So as you know, we're doing these workouts every day. And my goal for you is that you build up a healthy habit of working out. Even if it's 7 minutes, if it's 50 minutes, if you sandwich 2 together, or maybe choose any of the workouts on my channel. I'd love this to be part of your daily routine, your workout. Good, 1 more, all the way to the side. Now here's a bicep curl, just curl it up to the shoulders and around the edge. And again, so you go up and around. And then we're going to focus on your wrists and your hands in a second, all the way around. 2 more, I've got a little combination for you. Hold both arms together and then press away. Click the fingers, take your arms up and then open. So again, we go together, push, lift, open, together, push, lift and open. 1 more, together, lift and open. Bicep curls again, curl, curl to the shoulders and around the edge. That's it. And again, now for your triceps, we are coming up. Now both arms, I want you to cut all the way to the top, hold them and bend your elbows behind. So you've got your palms together. So again, I'm teaching you all these movements that later on we will do with weights. There we go, bring it back. 8 more for your triceps. Good, 7, nice and easy, 6, 5, 4, 3, again, last 2, 1 more. Good, now bring your arms down, step touch, step touch. So again, how do you feel with your shoulders? Feel good? Can we put that all together again? Are you ready? Here we go, lift the shoulders up to your ears, single, single, double, hands on your shoulders, circle round, good, and again, circle all the way over, 1 more, reach across, here we go, reach over, up, and again, reach across, and lift, 4 more, reach, up, 3, 2, 1 more, hands on your shoulders again, all the way around, just open them up, and again, all the way, bring your arms out, forearms together, squeeze together and out. So keep the elbows really high, 1 more, now open across the body and across and open, across and open. Keep the elbows up, now bring them together and lower down, upright row, up, open, bring it in and down, up and open. Now take a side bend, right and hold, 2 more side, 1 more, bicep curls, let's go, round the side, circle, 2 more, we're nearly there, 1 more, hands together, we go, clap, push, lift, open, clap, push, lift, open, 1 more, clap, now hold at the top, up, palms together, drop back into triceps, do another 2, and another 1, and then bring your arms down, circle all the way, 1 more, there you go, shake it out, good work for the upper body, well done. Tomorrow we'll do the lower body. Let me know how you get on. Like and subscribe, check out the other videos in the series, and make sure you come and say hello every morning. I'm live here on YouTube at 7:10 UK time, so do come and say hello. Guys, have a lovely day, get fit, get active, and I'll see you on the next video.